Well, Emma, don't let her win. Go get it. Get it, Em. Come on. Come on. Get it. Come on, Em. Get it. Fight for it. There you go. There you go. Give it a good tug. Oh, little dog. Things like a little freight train. Hi, Sophie. How's my Sophie? Hi, Emma. Yeah, here we go. And taking another one. Emma, you can't let the little dog win so easily. Get in there and fight. All right, here we go. Round 2. And that's a stuffed dolphin. Always exciting. Each one's got a fin. Emma's using the lay down, and I have more body girth method of tug of war here. Sophie, the 17-pound Shiba Inu, using the sinewy, pound-for-pound strongest dog in the world, tug my heart out tugboat method, and that's a winner. Yeah. She's a third the size of Emma and can pull her around the room. Okay, and there goes Sophie with the prize. Hey, come back here. Everybody go. Okay. Yeah, let's all run in a circle. There we go. Okay. All right. Ding, 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 round 3. Come on in, pull, pull. There you go. Growl and pull. Snort a little bit. Get into it. I could do my Michael Buffer impersonation right now. Let's get ready to tug. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Sophie using the thrash head slashing and tug maneuver. She's 9 months old and has mad tug skills. Lab Spitz Mix, Shiba Inu. Seems to be a stalemate right now. Emma, you're doing pretty well now. You seem to have the set in concrete method down pretty good. So here you go. That's getting pulled around the room. Yeah. Girls want to call it a draw? Yeah? Okay.